Sound the trumpet, the feast begins. Lift your voice, let praise ascend. The Lord who rescued from the flame calls his people, bless his name. He opened our mouths wide, he filled us with grace. No idols before him, our hearts take their place. Arise and sing, the Lord is King. Lightning, thunder, nations ring. From desert sand to ocean shore, let every heart cry out once more. He says, if only you would hear my voice, I'd turn your sorrow into joy and choice. The enemies flee, his power displays. Fire from heaven lights our praise. He shout for joy, all your lands arise. Let the rhythm thunder through the skies. He breaks the chains, his truth restores. Our God forevermore. Arise and sing, the Lord is King. Lightning, thunder, nations ring. From desert sand to ocean shore, let every heart cry out once more. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.